Hey guys, how's it going? It is Dean from LazyLife Productions, and today I'm going to show you how to rotate your video in Adobe Premiere Pro 2022. Now, this is useful if you have recorded your footage upside down and you need to obviously reverse it and put it the correct way up. So let's jump into Premiere and I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, so we're in Premiere Pro, and as you can see, I have recorded this video upside down on my GoPro. So what I'm going to do is, you're going to left click on the footage and go to your effect controls over here on the left. If you cannot see the effect controls, go to Window, and then you'll find it right here, Effect Controls. Tick that. And that'll bring up this window, so make sure you're selected on your footage that you want to rotate. And then it's as simple as going down to rotate. Now, this video was filmed the right way up. I'm gonna lie there. And I've just rotated 180 degrees, which is what you're gonna do. You're just gonna put minus 180 degrees. But in this instance, it'll be 0 for me. And yeah, that'll take it back up to the correct orientation that it should be. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I'll be back with another one very soon. See you later.